Hello, it's Dr. Dave with the Oaks Healthcare Center again, and today I want to visit with you a little bit about a subject that people ask me all the time. They say, is pain the only reason I should go see a chiropractor? And the answer is absolutely not. Now, I'm a nurse practitioner and a chiropractor, but I've been a chiropractor for about 30 years. So I see all kinds of patients in my office, and a lot of people bring their children to me for medical advice as well as chiropractic advice. Now, the interesting thing is you can't fool a kid. Every single child that we see understands what's about to happen to them, and every single child either gets well or doesn't get well as an effect of what we do for them. So if I see them for a medical visit, I'm going to give them drugs or vaccinations or something like that to try and affect their health. That means that their body can no longer handle what they've come in with. But as a chiropractor, what happens all the time is when we treat these children for different things like insomnia, bedwetting, even for colic and ear infections, the parents report back to us that their child has gotten well and that they actually have a need for less medication and less doctor intervention on that child's behalf, which is wonderful because that's exactly what we would expect. Like I said, the one thing you can't do is you can't fool a child, especially not a baby who can't vocalize what's going on with them. So how does that actually work? Well, very simply, if we're going to treat a child or an infant for colic or ear infections or not being able to sleep, typically what's going on is that child is suffering some sort of a nervous upset in their system that's affecting either the eustachian tube in their ear so the ear doesn't drain and they get recurrent ear infections, or their sinuses and throat, possibly even giving them symptoms of asthma or giving them problems with chronic recurrent sinus infections and throat problems, or even strep throat, although we don't really treat strep throat in children with chiropractic alone. And what we find, though, is that these children always seem to do better. And that's a matter of them getting a better immune system. So if chiropractic can help support a child's immune system, it can do the same for you and your family. So we'd invite you to come in, give us a call, and let us know if there's any things that you have questions about. Our number, again, is 281-852-8724. Take care of each other, be good to each other, and be well.